Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to delete an old or unwanted address from your Amazon account. This is super helpful for keeping your account organized and ensuring your deliveries are always on right place. Let's get started. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Amazon application and make sure you are already logged into your profile. Then tap on your profile icon from the down bar of your screen. Once you are in your profile interface, click on Account. In this interface, you have to choose Manage Address Book. So this is the part where you delete your addresses. On the screen, you can see multiple addresses which you have added. In order to remove or delete unwanted address, you simply have to tap on Remove. Then the Confirm Deletion message pops up. Here you just have to simply tap on Yes, and that's it. The address has been successfully removed from your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.